Listen and practice. Listen and practice. I still remember the day when I saw him for the first time. She was looking very cute that day. They say no, love at first sight, that's what happened to me. Her blonde hair was fluttering in the wind, and her smile was absolutely murderous. Oh sorry man, I forgot to mention his name. My sweetheart's name is Alisha. I met Alisha in B.Tech first year. It was the first day of class and all the students had come to the room. That's when Alisha's entry took place 10 minutes after the class started. All the boys were looking at him. I was sitting alone on my bench and then Alisha came and sat beside me. I was feeling very happy inside. But I did not dare to talk to him. After a while Alisha told me which perfume you have come with, so I said that I do not know the name, I will apply whatever I get. She started laughing and said that it is a good perfume. I said thanks to him. Then he asked my name. I told my name and on the same pretext asked him for his name. Alisha and I became good friends on the same day. Now we used to sit together daily in the class. Alisha and I became friends outside college as well. One day I flew from Alisha mobile number. Asked and he gave. I was very scared in the beginning that if he felt bad for asking for mobile number, then how would I convince him? But nothing like this happened. After that Alisha and I used to talk on the phone for a while. After 3 to 4 months I proposed to Alisha. Alisha gave my proposal reply after 6 days. We both used to fight many times, but we used to convince each other. This cycle continued for 4 years and then after the completion of B.Tech, we got married and now 4 months of marriage have passed. Alisha and I are very happy.